Hey guys, it's Damien from Marketing Food Online and Etsy. I'm going to talk a little bit about Etsy's new subscription plans and what that would mean for your business on Etsy. As you may know, I've actually been on Etsy since 2011. I've had a very good opportunity to make a very good business with Etsy. I have had the ability to sell to 16 countries through Etsy and sales in excess of over $100,000 in business since I started my business with them. It has taken a lot of work. That did not happen overnight, I can tell you for sure. But when I started, it was you had a 20-cent listing fee, and their fees were around three to three. I think it was 3% to 5%, somewhere around there of the selling price, and that was pretty much it. Now, since then, Etsy has had an IPO. It has gone public with its stock. So now it has shareholders to answer to and a way to drive the sales. In my opinion, one of the big reasons why they are now going to start charging for these platforms, for these subscriptions, and have three different tiers, as you can see here, is that they're looking to make more money. Now, by charging these fees for the shops, it doesn't guarantee you're going to actually sell more. It's going to guarantee that Etsy makes more. So that's the God's honest truth. I've been on e-commerce long enough now, in excess of 12 years. I understand how this works. And that is one of the big reasons that's driving them to create a subscription fee. Now, of course, time will tell if the features that come along with these different types of subscriptions are going to pay off. That is something that really hasn't been tested yet because it's in its infancy. It's in its very beginning stages. And you're going to have to see over time if these monthly fees are actually benefiting your sales, or are they just making more money? So I'm going to go through really quick. I'm going to run down. I'm going to go through all of this information here and explain kind of my take on it. And to be honest with you, my opinion about whether it's a good thing for Etsy sellers or not. So the first thing right off the bat is it says here you could choose the right tools for your creative journey. So now that has optional subscription packages designed to help you obviously sell more. They have three of them. One of them is not done yet. The pricing for this has not been established, the Etsy Premium, a full set of advanced tools that let you run your business like a boss. Etsy Plus, which is an expanded set of tools. And then, of course, Etsy Standard, which is the one that everyone has had basically up until this point. No monthly fee, and that's, of course, right now my current plan. I actually just clicked on this day before yesterday, so this is all relatively new. But here's something interesting. The Etsy Plus is $10 intro price. It increases to $20 a month to 2019. So between now and the end of December, sounds like you're going to be paying $10, and after that, it goes to $20 a month. And then, of course, the premium hasn't been established yet. You can sign up your email here, and you can get a reminder note about that. So I'm going to scroll down and take a look. Okay, so these are the costs. So your standard is no monthly fee, and this one's 10, and of course, that one has been established. They're going to be offering these credits. To be quite honest, I'd have to figure out how do you apply those credits. I don't see much information here explaining that in detail. But of course, the no monthly fee, the free one, which everyone has right now, there are no credits that you're given. 15 credits per month, $5 credit each month for promoted listings. That's something else that's relatively new as well, the feature of promoting your listings. You can pay for that ad space and to get people to click on the ad itself. And scroll down to features, access millions to shoppers around the world. And it looks like there's just a lot of great features that will be available if you're willing to obviously pay for that subscription. So taking a look at some of the features that they offer for the basic plans. Hey, oh, you home? Let me call you. I'm sorry. Let me call you right back. I'm sorry. All right. Sorry about that. Okay, so really quick, you have your basic, and then you've got that one here. That is the plus and the premium. Basically, looking at the plus is you get a lot of features that seem to be similar to like eBay's and of course Amazon, with additional options to utilize Google Ads and such. Some of the neat features that I would agree are kind of a great thing are these here. This is for the $10 a month one. You can stand out from the crowd, highlight your products, and encourage shoppers to explore your shop with new banner options. Banners are great because those banner options are going to be it seems to be interactive. and that would give a lot of customers a variety of ways to choose products from your shop. They have a restock request. This is a great concept as well. If you're out of an item and someone wants to sign up, they will automatically be alerted. So you can actually get that customer to come back to your store and purchase a product that you were obviously out of in stock or it wasn't available at the time, which is a great way to actually drive sales. I will definitely say this is a great feature. Custom web address. Okay, so this is a partnership actually with Hover that Etsy has established. That's going to give Etsy shops at a 50% off a year discount, and you'll basically get a URL for your store. It's kind of a cool thing. I'm not gonna say I don't understand why you would need that, but in case you were wanting to have your name on it on the .com aspect of it, I guess that would be great. You already have if you got an established Etsy store, you could promote that through social media. You could promote that anywhere and everywhere on blogs, YouTube, everywhere you go. I don't know if I necessarily want to pay extra to have that web address at the end. Access to discounts and custom packaging and promotional. This is actually something new. There's not a lot of these available just yet, but this is something that Etsy's worked out where they have allow you to create custom packages and packaging and labeling, that kind of thing, to give you kind of a brand and give you a concept, an image, a logo of the brand that you want to create. It's kind of a cool thing, but there's not a lot of companies that are on board just yet, and Etsy actually says that on here. They're going to be rolling out more of those in 2019. So, advanced management tools. Okay, so this one here as well. Again, this doesn't have a heck of a lot of extra information about what those tools are. Premium customer support, get faster response from whenever you need. So as you pay for, let me just show you really quick. So as you can see here, the check marks go all the way over to the premium, which is the more expensive one. It sounds like you are going to get additional support and help from Etsy when you're paying extra money for it. So I don't know. I just think that there's a lot of extra money being made, but the benefit of selling on Etsy is the concept of it is that you're wanting to make money, but it's costing you more money to start one because you are a startup on Etsy. It's a little more challenging being found, and you're going to be paying a lot of money out of your pocket with obviously no promises, of course, of sales to offset that expense. So my overall take on some of these features is that obviously now they have to answer to stockholders, and it seems as if they're going to be charging a decent amount of money for sellers, as every other platform has, and it's evolved into what this is today. So if you've got any opinions about this new concept and being charged a fee every month for your Etsy shop, let me know down below. I'm actually going to read up more about this and find out a little bit more involved, and I'm going to find out more about these benefits of the premium and do a video so you guys can understand it. And of course, if my video was helpful, as always, do give me a thumbs up or give me some feedback and let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video.